Have you ever looked at your comb and thought, why am I losing so much hair? Or maybe you've noticed your ponytail isn't as thick as it used to be. You're not alone. Every day, millions of people, especially women, struggle with hair loss and thinning, often in silence. But here's the truth. Hair loss is not just a cosmetic issue. It's a message from your body. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven ways to prevent hair loss, strengthen your roots, and encourage new growth, naturally and effectively. If you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, stay with me till the end, because the last few tips are what completely changed my own hair journey. Understanding the root cause. Before we jump into the solutions, let's talk about what's really causing your hair to fall out. Reason number 1, stress and hormones. When cortisol, your stress hormone, rises, it literally squeezes blood flow away from your scalp, starving your hair follicles. Reason number 2, nutritional deficiencies, low iron, vitamin D, or protein levels can make your hair weaker from the root. Reason number 3, tight hairstyles and over-manipulation. Constant tension can lead to traction alopecia, especially along the edges. Reason number 4, harsh products and heat damage. Too much chemical or heat exposure can destroy the cuticle layer. Reason number 5, scalp buildup. This can block pores and prevent new growth. Once you understand the cause, you can actually target it, not just cover it up. Here is 10 proven ways to prevent hair loss. 1. Massage your scalp. Daily 2 to 5 minutes. Use your fingertips or a scalp massager with natural oils like rosemary, peppermint, or castor oil. This improves blood flow, strengthens follicles, and helps stimulate new growth. 2. Maintain a protein-rich diet. Your hair is 90% protein, keratin. Include eggs, lentils, fish, and leafy greens in your diet. You can't grow strong hair if you're feeding your body junk food. 3. Manage stress before it manages you. Meditation, journaling, prayer, or simply getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep can lower cortisol. Remember, calm body equals healthy scalp. 4. Keep your scalp clean but moisturized. Overwashing strips your scalp's natural oils, but not washing enough leads to buildup. Find your balance, typically every 7 to 10 days for most hair types. 5. Avoid tight hairstyles, braids, buns, and ponytails that pull your hairline too tight cause gradual thinning. Try low-tension styles like twists or loose braids. 6. Limit heat and chemical use. If you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant. Avoid frequent relaxers or harsh dyes. Your follicles need a break too. 7. Use strengthening treatments. Look for ingredients like biotin, niacinamide, keratin, and caffeine in your products. These nourish and fortify the strands from root to tip. 8. Stay hydrated. Your scalp needs moisture just like your skin. Drink plenty of water and use hydrating sprays or aloe-based tonics between wash days. 9. Protect your hair. While you sleep, use a satin or silk pillowcase and wrap your hair with a bonnet or scarf. This reduces friction, tangles, and unnecessary breakage. 10. Be patient and consistent. Hair grows in cycles. It can take 3 to 6 months to see visible changes. Consistency is the difference between frustration and transformation. Here's what I personally do. Each morning, I massage my scalp for 2 minutes with rosemary oil. I drink a green juice rich in iron and vitamin C. At night, I wear my satin bonnet, and every other wash day, I do a gentle scalp detox with apple cider vinegar and aloe vera. Simple, consistent care. That's the real secret to keeping your hair on your head. Hair loss doesn't have to define your journey. You have the power to heal your scalp, nourish your roots, and grow stronger, healthier hair naturally. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment below. I'm taking my hair health seriously. And if you're ready for more natural hair care videos, subscribe and turn on your notifications. Remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, and that starts with you. If you enjoyed this video, here are 2 more for you to check out. Thanks for watching.